Summary. Finally, you have reached the end of the course. This was a beginner-level course in Systemverilog programming. In this course, you were introduced to the basic building block of Verilog and Systemverilog, the module. You have learned what is design and test bench coding, language constructs, different style of modeling a hardware, different types of assignment blocks, and flow control statements in Systemverilog. After learning the theory, you were introduced to practicing sessions from the basics. You have learned how to start practicing on free online simulators. Also, you have gone through many examples that shown design and test bench programs, written and simulated. Now it's time to practice what you have learned in this course. Remember, there is no point in learning a programming language without coding in it. You can practice writing simple design and test bench programs, and you may start with the same examples shown in the course. This is a beginner-level course from Systemverilog Academy, and we will be publishing more courses in Systemverilog design and verification, and in UVM.